Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change your username on Reddit. Now it's a very simple process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open your Reddit application, then click on your profile at the top right corner. Now over here in the bottom, just simply click on settings. Now again just simply scroll down till the very bottom and over there you will find help center. Click on it. Now in help center, just simply type in the search bar username, then just simply hit enter. Now over here you will find multiple articles. So you can just simply open any article, but I would say just simply open the first one, which is can I change my username? So just simply open that. Now basically you don't have to do anything with the article. What you need is just simply scroll down and click on submit a request. Over here just simply click on that. Now when the request form is in front of you, click on the drop box and now over here just simply choose a reason, and the reason that you will choose is I need help with my account. So choose the first option. Now multiple boxes will appear in front of you. So over here now just simply fill up all the details, email address that is linked with your Reddit, then the issue that you're facing with your account or username, then just simply choose username problems, and then again just simply choose I want to change my username, then scroll down. So now as you can see over here in this page, if you have created your Reddit account using Google or Apple sign-in, so if that's the case, you may have a chance to change your username, but if you haven't used either Google or Apple, there is no chance of changing your username. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.